Is a ticket from Ryu Thao. Thank you very much for submitting a ticket. I know this is your second time, I want to say, submitting a ticket, and I appreciate it. It means a lot. Excel unable to open. A user has a large Excel spreadsheet. When they try to open it, it was asking to open an Excel 64-bit. That's unusual. How can he open the sheet in the 32-bit instead of having to break the sheet down to smaller sizes? Okay, so I'm assuming the message is I can't open this up because it's too big and it's asking for a 64-bit. I've never seen this before. Usually these type of limitations are done on whenever you format a thumb drive. You format a thumb drive, for example, here's my PC, right? And let's assume this is the thumb drive. If I format it to FAT32, there's a limit of the size of each file. I forget exactly what the limit is, maybe 2 gigabytes per each file. Otherwise, it's not going to be able to store or even create new files that are bigger than that. But I'm going to say this: reply to customer, hello, please try to open in 64-bit Excel. You can, and I hope, and I think it's there. You can navigate to C program files / office and use the 64-bit exe. I hope that works, because I don't know why this wouldn't work to begin with. It's really odd. But what I'm trying to say here is the C program files, just regular C program files, houses 64-bit applications. So if you open up your C drive, this is going to have 64-bit applications. 32-bit applications are going to be inside of program files x86. Make sure you navigate to the correct folder for the Office suite.